Thanks for watching, everybody. We just lost our light as we started to film here, but I'm not going to bring out the filming lights tonight because we're going to have fun. I really wasn't going to film a video tonight. We're just going to have a family dinner. But I decided, why not just do a one-take video? So let's do it. Let's have some fun. I know you've been wondering, where have I been? You know what? I've been doing my job at Blackstone. So I have the Adventure Ready van here in Colorado. We've been all over the place. We've been up in Steamboat Springs. We've been up in Victor, Cripple Creek. So lots of new videos are going to be coming out on the Let's Give It a Try show on Blackstone social media. So please, if you're not following Blackstone, you know, on their YouTube, their Instagram, their Facebook, please do it. I have some of the absolute best videos I have ever done coming out on their pages soon. So let me clear my throat and come over to the griddle, Hannah. So there we go. Blackstone 36-inch griddle. Hopefully you guys can see that. I don't know how good or bad the light is tonight. That's pretty decent. We have some avocado oil. So the griddle is like medium right now, and we have a little avocado oil. I want to give a big thanks to Hannah, our oldest child, our daughter, who is filming for me tonight. It's been a big blessing. She's been filming for me as we've been up in the mountains, and she is so good at it. So I'm using some avocado oil. This could be olive oil. This could be any kind of oil. And let's see what happens. We are first going to go down with the salmon. So these are some salmon fillets. Does that look decent? The lighting okay? Yeah, good. Some salmon fillets. What did I do with these things? I rubbed them up with some olive oil, and then I seasoned them with some of this Kirkland Costco organic no salt seasoning. Basically it's just a bunch of vegetable flakes, vegetable powder, everything from onion and red bell pepper to garlic, but there's no salt in there. And then I seasoned them with Blackstone's teriyaki seasoning. So incredible. These are Rastellis, by the way. You know, Blackstone has a deal this summer where if you buy so many things on the Blackstone website, you can get a killer code for free food from Rastellis. So these are salmon fillets from the Faroe Islands, and they are beautiful. So let's get again, you could be on high heat, you could be on low heat, but our medium heat today is the equivalent of a quote-unquote high heat. We're blasting hot. So here we go, olive oil with the seasoning, and we are going to put these straight down on the griddle top. We're not going to waste time. All right, Hannah, focusing on those salmon fillets. Look, there we go. And stay there. Let's next go with a little more avocado oil. Come over here. And a vegetable medley. So at Sam's Club, these are just carrots, cauliflower, broccoli. That's it, raw, uncooked, straight down on the griddle top. Come over here. Yikes. Here comes the wind. A little more of that in there. And come on over here, Hannah. Whoa! So what else do we have going on? We're busy planning all kinds of stuff. And other trips with the Blackstone van and all sorts of fun stuff this year. So look for us all over the Rocky Mountains. Let's see, it's the end of July, so elk muzzle loading hunting will be coming up here in mid-September. So that's on the horizon as well. Blackstone, though, just on fire. That's why you haven't seen me here. I'm literally living my dream. Business is booming, and we're griddling. Got video ideas like crazy. I was talking today to a gentleman at a local establishment, let's leave it at that, about a video idea, a video concept coming up soon as well. All right, yeah, you can just tell me if you want, because that's a lot better than being awkward. You want me to take this off?
Yes,
all right, hats off, okay? Please. All right, come on in here. Hannah has told me to take my hat off, friends. All right, there's the veggies over here. We're steaming those up. Let's check our salmon. Salmon's looking pretty good. Let me see if I probably won't be able to find it. Why don't you just get some shots of the food there? Of course, when I need my fish spatula, I can't find my fish spatula. So, we're going to pretend this is a fish spatula, and hopefully that is not quite ready. Let that side sear up for just a few more seconds right there. Over here to the veggies, Hannah. So this is going to be a dinner, just a fun family dinner. That's all we're doing, folks. So that's going to be the veggies right there. And next, we're going to come over here with the Uncle Ben's rice. You know, I'm a big fan of the Uncle Ben's ready rice. This is the Jasmine Perfecto. This stuff's pre-cooked. People always asking me if they can cook their rice on the griddle top, and I guess you can. But you know, you need to have it in a pot of water. You don't just cook raw rice on the griddle. So this is pre-cooked, and put it down on the griddle top. We'll put some oil in there. You can use butter, and we're going to fry that rice up beautifully, just like that. So hopefully everyone's having a good time this summer. Please, in the comments down below, let me know what you're up to this summer. If you're on vacation, let me know if you got a new griddle this year. I'm loving hearing from all the new griddlers. Let me know what you got going on. Here we go. Check out those veggies, Hannah. Got salmon over there. Let's see if our salmon's ready to flip. Let's see. Are we close? Oh, that's not bad. Let's go ahead and flip them over. Perfect. You got that? Yeah. Let me come over here on your side. The fish spatula will probably be better for doing this, but can't find my fish spatula tonight. Oops, sorry. Alright. Leave a thumbs up for Hannah and her amazing camera work for me. I really am excited. I'm more excited about the videos that you guys are going to be seeing coming up on Blackstone social media, the ones that Hannah filmed, than any videos I've ever done. So check out that gorgeous salmon. We'll go ahead and put a little bit of the teriyaki. Look at that. Teriyaki down there. Blackstone's teriyaki seasoning, Walmart stores. And that salmon is going to finish up probably really quick. So a little bit more olive, or what is that? That's avocado oil on top. Go ahead and turn that burner, throw it down here. Turn that burner all the way off. All right, get that salmon sizzling, Hannah. I'm gonna go and ask my wife, if you're focusing on that, to grab the Mr. Yoshidas. I am back. So really impressed. This new camera that we're using here, without special lighting, works very well. Come over and focus on my rice, Hannah. So we're going to mix these veggies up with the rice. Let them finish up. I think the salmon's just about done too. I need to get that off. Come into the salmon. We'll do a test here. This will be our test piece, friends. You like that? That's my scar from when I hit the hammer on my thumb a couple months ago. So we're just going to break this all apart. We're going to see what it flakes like. A little raw in the middle still, so I don't like sushi. I like fish. Okay. Now I could have added onions. I could have added garlic to this as well. And but this is going to be just real simple. So we have the rice, we have the broccoli, the cauliflower, and you can see that rice is coming close. Really starting to cook up there. The rice will explode. You'll notice when you cook it on the griddle top, it definitely explodes. We call it Mexican jumping rice. There we go. Here we go. Shout out to, wanna come this way? Shout out to CJ if you're watching, brother. CJ's got himself a t-shirt, so picked it up at Teespring. I'll leave a link in the description down below. I'm not selling t-shirts. I quit selling them like 2 years ago. I might start selling them again in the future. You never know. I just didn't have time to deal with it. But Blackstone has a new Teespring page. They have lots of cool new hats and shirts up on blackstoneproducts.com, and then also these one-off shirts like the Toven Zone, like CJ shirt, up at the Teespring site as well, so you can check those out, and I'll put a link down below. Okay, I think that salmon's probably pretty good. We'll get that fork again. There's my fork. Yeah, it's almost done. I just see just a little bit in the middle where it's not quite done. I like my salmon to be cooked. We do not want raw salmon. So, but what we can do is let's line it all up together. Those beautiful pieces of salmon. There we go. That way when I get ready to pull them off, we should be able to do that in one fell swoop. I don't think I've ever said that in a video, by the way. Fell swoop. Here's that. Let's see, back over here to the rice, Hannah. That rice is fried up beautifully. Whoa. So a lot of people always asking me about Mr. Yoshida's. Sam's Club is the best place to get Mr. Yoshida's. For the most part, regular grocery stores don't carry it, and if they do, they sell a small little 12-ounce package. We're laughing because that rice is jumping of this, but you can get this giant, what is it, 86-ounce, 5-pound, 6-ounce bottle at Sam's Club for probably around $6.99, $7 or so. Okay, so that rice is fine right there. I can tell just by looking at it that it looks perfect. Yes, I just accidentally used my salmon fork to touch the rice. We'll live, we'll live. Don't need to worry about that. All right. That salmon is looking good. You know what I could do? I could grab the, oh my, that tastes good. Let's grab the basting cover real quick, Hannah. You focus in on that. All right, here we go. So, right here, basting cover. The salmon is beautiful on the outside, but the inside is not quite all the way done. So we're just gonna grab a little bit of water, like so, straight down on the griddle top. A little bit of steam, put that on top, and just bring the rest of that up to temperature. Let's take a look at that. This is just a normal dinner here tonight, folks, so I'm not looking to entertain. We're just having some fun. That's perfect. Let's do the same thing here. See if I have room. Now we have room. Okay, so a little more water. And basting cover down. Blackstone basting covers, you can buy these nice ones. The signature series, I guess you'd call that. Walmart.com. And the reveal. All right, Hannah, let's bring this. Why don't you come in right over here? Let's see, what's the best place? Here we go. Put a little bit. Want to make sure you can see this. Come over here. You come on that side. All right, let's go down and plate it up, friends. Dinner at the Toven house tonight. Fried jasmine rice with vegetables, a little bit of avocado oil on there. I mean, you really don't need any seasoning in that. That's beautiful. And what I'll do is, a lot of time I put the Mr. Yoshida's right down on the griddle top, but tonight we are just gonna pour a little bit of the Mr. Yoshida's. Can you see that? Yeah. Straight down on the rice like this. Okay. And we'll take that beautiful salmon. I think we'll just layer that around like so. There we go. Oh, a couple salmon there, a couple salmon like that. A couple more salmon. It's a salmon-rich dinner we got going on here. Wow, that looks delicious. Like so. Let's do one more drizzle of the Mr. Mr. Yoshida's on top. A little more Mr. Yoshida's to make that picture look good. Hannah, are you hungry for some rice?
Yes.
Here we go. One more shot of that. I can hear the kids crying in the house. Do I have an extra fork? Here we go. Zoom in, Hannah, please, for a little take a look at that right there. I'm going to go in with the rice first. If you want to get a shot of that, Hannah. Here we go. Fried rice. That's perfect. Actually got some broccoli in that one, but we'll take another bite of broccoli right now. As the youngsters say, let me break off a little something something here. So, oh my, look at that. Now I could have done, a lot of times I'll dump that Yoshida straight down on the salmon, straight down on the veggies on the griddle, but tonight I didn't want to, so. That's all there is to it, folks. Can you see that roll good? So, this is our dinner tonight. I can see we're at 17 and a half minutes. No fancy editing, just wanted to bring you some fun things. Again, thanks to Hannah for filming. We're gonna go on the inside and eat this food. Appreciate all of you. Make sure you please hit that that thumbs up button. Give me a like. Please leave a comment down below. Please leave a comment down below. And please be following us over there at Blackstone Social Media. That's my dream come true. And that's where all my creative energies are going these days. So until next time, this is Todd. We're saying praise the Lord and pass the salmon teriyaki stir fry.